Okay, hello Cloud Gurus. How y'all doing? You've made it to the end of this course. Congratulations. Let's take a look at the blueprint and see how far we've come. We started out in Chapter 2 with data stores, and we covered items in these areas. Then we moved on to networking, security, migrations, architecting to scale. In Chapter 7, we talked about business continuity, deployment and operations management in Chapter 8, and finally cost management in Chapter 9. So it does appear that we've done a pretty good job at covering the blueprint for the exam. But your journey doesn't stop here. From the very beginning, I've been endorsing a holistic preparation plan, and this includes white papers, forums, hands-on experience, practice, preparation, all that stuff. So you should definitely still follow up on that stuff. Some exam tips that I have: study to become an expert, not to pass the exam. Because then after you have that credential in your hand, you can speak with authority and confidence to clients and customers. And remember, start by eliminating the answers that don't work or are incorrect, because that'll really help you narrow down on the ones that are feasible answers. And avoid the practitioner's curse. Don't try to read too much into the question based on your own personal experience. You have to be sure to focus yourself just on the words in the question and on the words in the answer. And sometimes you have to put best practices aside if they don't line up with the answer to the question. And you should really dig deep enough into AWS to understand the why, not just the what. As I said from the beginning, the CSA Pro exam is all about the part after the because. You have to know why stuff is happening on AWS, not just what could happen. Definitely understanding is reinforced through application. And what I mean by this is roll your sleeves up, get out there on the command line or the console and build some of these use cases. I know, speaking for myself, I have to go through it and actually do the activity before I fully understand what I've been reading in black and white on a paper. And if you're a little bit unsure of your fundamentals, definitely go back and take some of the associate level ACG courses or practice exams. They're going to help reinforce some of those things that maybe you forgot. Go into the exam with a definite strategy. One of the things that we recommend is the understand, eliminate, evaluate, choose, and validate process that you're going to see in that AWS certification prep course that I've recommended. So let's take a moment to just do a little visualization exercise. And you're sitting in the exam room, you've done your best on that exam, you click that final submit button, and then up on the screen you're informed that you passed. That's going to be the best feeling in the world because you've worked so hard for this. And now you're part of an elite group of professionals that have one of the most valuable and most difficult to achieve certifications in IT. So think about that. You can do this. You will do this. And if you have to go back and repeat parts of this course, maybe after you take the practice exam, definitely do that. But I hope I've helped instill in you some confidence and some knowledge that you can walk in there and smash that exam. Good luck.